Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to be backtesting an indicator based strategy using a MACD indicator. For those who are new to trading, in late 1970s, Garrett Apple created an indicator called MACD. MACD, short for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a trend following indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. This is used in technical analysis of a stock prices and can be applied on any trading chart. This is what a MACD indicator looks like. By default, MACD indicator will come with two lines, a blue line called MACD and a red line called a signal line. Well, there are a lot of MACD based strategies, but in general MACD crossover strategy is simple. Once the MACD line crosses the signal line above, it is considered as a buy signal, and when a MACD line crosses below the signal line, it is considered as a sell signal. For those who want to know more about MACD and signal line, you can see the formula displayed on the screen. Basically, MACD is calculated by subtracting a 26 period exponential moving average from a 12 period EMA. A 9 EMA of a MACD, called the signal line, is then plotted on top of a MACD line. It is not important to remember the formula, you will never be going to be using it. But it's good to know what each line indicates. There is also a zero line and an histogram. Histogram basically shows the strength of the trend. As always, we are going to take the 100 trades on 4 nifty stocks displayed on the screen, which will give us better idea how a MACD crossover strategy would work in an Indian market. So that's pretty much what you need to know about MACD. So hi everyone, this is Pranit from Trader Insights. So let's start the video. Now let me explain the strategy real quick. It's just a simple 200 EMA with the MACD. You can see the MACD settings. You can only long when the price is above the 200 EMA. You can only short when the price is below the 200 EMA. Let's find an example. So what you are looking for is when the price is above the 200 EMA, you are only looking long. So you are looking for a cross up by the MACD that happens below the zero line of a histogram. So let's go to the cross. Yeah, it happens below the zero line of a histogram, so we are gonna take a long trade on this candle when it closes. So we would buy here, set our stop loss to the nearest swing low, and then we are aiming for a 1.5 risk reward ratio. So this trade would have been a winner. And it's the opposite for a short trade. Only take short that are below the 200 EMA and where the crosses occur above the zero line of a histogram. And you would set your stop to the nearest swing high for the short setup. Anyway, so that's the setup. Let's test this setup for 100 times and see exactly what the win rate is. I'll let you know the full result after the test. You could also see the trade by slowing the playback speed in YouTube. Anyway, I'll start the fast forward now. So the tests are over. As you can see, my total number of trades was 100, out of which 52 was winners and 48 were losers. My winning percentage was 52%. Total gain in an account was 34.81%. Max drawdown is minus 6.3%. You can also see the equity curve and max drawdown curve. Continuous win in a row was 5. Continuous lose in a row was also 5. Total duration of the test was 12.5 months. So the strategy is profitable, which is good. This really gives you a better view of exactly what you can expect trading this strategy over a course of time. And I would still not trade this strategy and try to optimize it and increase the win rate. But this is how you should do it with every single strategy. Make sure that you are willing to put in an effort. Even if you are going to trade this strategy, you should still do back testing yourself, so you can see for yourself exactly how it's going to perform. It's not the same by watching my video and starting to trade this strategy. You are not gonna be able to have the mental strength to stick to it. When you are going through a 5 losing streak, you will start panicking. So guys, I would highly suggest please test this strategy yourself and experience how it performs in the market. Also guys, I'll be adding a link in the description for this Google Sheet where I'll be adding all the strategies that I'll be testing, and will arrange it according to the gain in an account, along with the YouTube link. You can check it yourself and review or rewatch any specific strategy you like. So if you like the video, please support us by subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification. And please like the video and share the video. All the social media links will be in the description. Please support us and show your support. More awesome contents are on the way. See you next time.